We're living in a strange moment in history. Jobs are shifting, new skills are replacing old ones, and people who understand how to use technology are quietly pulling ahead. Every time there's a major shift like this, from agriculture to industry, from industry to the internet, a new group of millionaires is born. And now it's happening again. But this time, it's powered by something much bigger: artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence isn't some futuristic thing anymore. But here's what most people get wrong. They think you need to be a tech genius to make money with it. That's not true. The real money isn't in creating artificial intelligence. It's in using it. Just like you don't need to build a car to become a great driver, you don't need to create a new system from scratch. You just need to know how to use it better than most people. So, if I were starting from zero today and wanted to become a millionaire by 2026, I'd focus on 3 simple but powerful strategies. You don't need an office, a huge team, or even investors. All you need is a laptop, an internet connection, and the ability to solve one problem people are willing to pay for. Think of things like content creation, social media management, digital marketing, website building, automation services. These are things people already pay for. Now imagine being able to deliver those services faster, cheaper, and better using AI tools. For example, one person can now run a small marketing agency by automating content scheduling, ad copywriting, and client reporting, things that used to take teams of 5 or 10 people. You can easily start with one client, build proof, and scale from there. By 2026, that could easily turn into a 6 or 7-figure operation if you're consistent. The second strategy I'd focus on is building digital assets. These are things that make money while you sleep, like online courses, niche websites, eBooks, YouTube channels, or even digital products like templates or apps. AI tools can help create all of this faster than ever. You can use them to research profitable topics, write scripts, design thumbnails, edit videos, or even analyze audience behavior. For example, a faceless YouTube channel like this one can be run almost entirely by one person. You can research, write, record, and publish content faster than any traditional team. Once you find what works, your videos keep earning from ads and sponsorships long after you post them. That's how you create compounding income. Here's where the big money comes in. Every business in the world is trying to figure out how to use artificial intelligence to save time and increase profit. Most of them have no idea where to start, and that's your opportunity. If you can learn how to integrate automation into their workflows, streamline customer support, improve data tracking, or optimize marketing using artificial intelligence, you instantly become valuable. Let's say you charge even $1,000 a month to help small businesses automate their emails, leads, or social media, and you work with just 10 clients. That's $10,000 a month. But if you build systems that work on their own, you can scale to 50 clients without adding much more work. That's how real financial freedom starts, not by working harder, but by working smarter. Now, none of this works without the right mindset. Most people fail, not because they lack tools, but because they wait too long to start. They get caught in analysis, perfectionism, or fear that it's too late. The wave of artificial intelligence adoption is just beginning. Right now, most people are using it to write essays or generate memes, but the people who use it to build businesses, automate systems, and create value, they're the ones who'll become millionaires. So, if you're serious about becoming a millionaire by 2026, here's the real challenge. Don't just watch this video and move on. Pick one of the 3 paths: start a microbusiness, build digital assets, or become a problem solver for other businesses, and stick with it. Learn one new artificial intelligence tool this week. Apply it to something real. Track your results. Repeat that every week for the next 12 months, and by 2026, you'll be shocked at how much your world has changed. The next wave of wealth won't come from working longer hours. It'll come from those who leverage technology to create more value in less time. The question is, will you be watching it happen, or will you be part of it?